To create a new Apple ID online, start by opening a web browser on any device. Go to account.apple.com and press Enter. Once you're on the website, click on the drop-down arrow in the top right corner and select Create Your Apple Account. This is the same as creating an Apple ID. You'll then need to fill out some information. Enter your name, for example, Trevor Nace, select your country, and provide your date of birth. Next, you'll be asked to enter an email address. This will be linked to your Apple ID and used for logging in, so make sure you remember it. After that, create a password and enter your phone number. At the bottom of the page, you have the option to uncheck certain boxes if you prefer. Then type in the random characters shown on the screen and click Continue. If you don't want to use your personal phone number or don't have one linked to your device, you can sign up for a Google Voice account and use that number instead. And that's it. You're all set. Hope this helps. If it did, please consider subscribing. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.